Hi everyone, Audrey here. Welcome back to my channel, At Home with Audrey. Today I am redoing my guest bedroom. And we moved in this house 3 years ago and I just haven't really ever done anything with this room. I had this purple headboard growing up and it's time to get rid of it. So I got this headboard that's painted blue that I originally bought white, and I just painted it to match these curtains I got. And I have this gold chandelier that we're going to hang along with 2 new side tables. And I painted these 2 blue lamps over here that I got from the thrift store that were originally pink. And I got white lampshades to go with them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I also have new bedding, new pillows, and a new table that this TV is going to be on that you'll see a little bit later. We are about to change the light fixture and my husband's taking down the old one. Make sure you turn off your breaker outside that controls electricity to this light. You do not want to be doing any of this work without your breaker turned off. Just a disclaimer, make sure you turn your electricity off and be very, very safe. Oh wait, this goes on these go on the inside, sorry honey. We're done, it's totally finished. We have the curtains hung, the mirror, I have a little blanket on the chair, and then this table is new. I actually bought it on Craigslist and painted it white and changed out the knobs. New bedding, blue headboard. I'm so excited. So if you guys like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.